Let me show you this impressive graph. So what you can see here on the graph is the number of blockchain wallet users worldwide from the first quarter of 2015 to the last quarter of 2017. And as you can see, in the first quarter 2015, there were maybe 3.5 million blockchain wallet users in the world. And this number has grown very rapidly. In only 2 years, it has grown from 3.5 million to more than 20 million, so something like 21 million. So it basically increased sevenfold. And this is just something, I think the only thing that you can compare this to is to the internet adoption growth in the 1990s, right? So when the internet was new, there were similar trends like we have here with cryptocurrencies. And this is a very, very strong sign that it's a growing thing and that it's something that is here to stay, because things don't grow normally this much in this short period of time. And as you can see, there is no stop to it, right? It's not like in the second quarter 2017 there was a stop or something. No, it grew and grew and grew. And it will definitely also grow in 2018. So even if the prices are going down for some months, that still doesn't mean that the interest in cryptocurrencies is going down. It's only because there are some negative news in the media, but the real trend behind it, the adoption, which is the most important thing, the people that are having blockchain wallets, this number will grow. And it will probably continue to grow very, very fast. And it's only a question of time until the prices of Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrencies will also reflect that.